Have you ever woken up with a nagging pain that just does not seem to go away? I know exactly how that feels, but today I want to share a powerful homemade recipe that can work wonders in just 5 days, helping to relieve your pain in an incredible way. The best part is that it uses simple ingredients that you can easily find at your local grocery store or a natural health shop. Stay with me until the end because I will share a fantastic bonus tip that makes this recipe even more effective. Also, let me know in the comments where you are watching from because I love hearing where everyone is tuning in. If you know any other natural remedies for pain relief, share them in the comments too because your tip might make it into a future video. Now, let us get into the recipe. You will need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, which is a fantastic spice available in most grocery stores or health food shops. 1 teaspoon of freshly grated ginger or ginger powder if that is more convenient for you. 1 cup of almond or oat milk, which are great options for anyone avoiding dairy, and a pinch of cinnamon powder, which is optional but adds a pleasant flavor to the drink. Here is how to prepare it. In a small saucepan, heat the almond or oat milk until it is warm, but do not let it boil. Then add the turmeric, ginger, and cinnamon. Stir well until all the ingredients are fully dissolved. Let the mixture sit for a few minutes to cool slightly, then pour it into a cup and enjoy. For the best results, drink this mixture before bedtime to help your body relax and absorb all the benefits while you sleep. Now, let me explain why this recipe is so effective. Turmeric is well known for its anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger helps reduce muscle pain and inflammation, and the almond or oat milk serves as a gentle base that makes it easier for your body to absorb the nutrients. Let me share a quick story to show how well this works. My Aunt Helena used to struggle with severe hip pain. She tried everything she could think of, but nothing seemed to help. When I suggested this recipe, she decided to give it a try, even though she was skeptical at first. Less than a week later, she called me, almost in tears, saying she felt so much better and could finally sleep peacefully again. As promised, here is the bonus tip. After drinking this soothing mixture, try gently massaging the painful area using coconut oil mixed with a few drops of lavender essential oil. This combination helps relax your muscles and enhances the pain relief even further. I would love to hear from you. Have you ever used any of these ingredients for pain relief? What was your experience like? Share your thoughts in the comments below because I enjoy learning from you. Also, do not forget to share this video with someone who might benefit from this recipe. You never know, you could help change someone's life for the better. Finally, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, take a moment now to click the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you will not miss out on more amazing tips like this one. Let us work together toward a healthier, pain-free life.